The calendar on Beebop shows all the events we create for ourselves, for example a reminder of our band rehearsals, together with the events created by the school where we are registered as participants, such as our lectures. If the option for Show Self-Registration events is enabled, we also see booking slots for additional events which you could register for. Note that for as long as we are not participants in these events, they will have this pale look and striped background. If all those self-registration events are making the calendar look a bit too busy, we can always choose to hide them by unchecking this option, and bring them back only when we need them. Note that some events have a limited capacity. When this capacity has been reached, the event will show as full and we will not be able to join it. And this is why it's important to cancel our registration if we change our mind or if we are unable to attend, so the place becomes available for someone else. To register for an event, we simply click on the event and look for the registration button. If the button appears to be disabled, it may be that we are either too early or too late. Some events have no time limits at all, and we can register even after the event has already started, but others may close the registrations a long time before they are due to start. Another thing to pay attention to is the booking policy. In this case we have a booking policy called One-to-One Tutorial, Career Advice, which limits bookings to no more than one per week per person. This means that if we register for this event, we will not be able to book any other event which shares the same booking policy until 1 week has passed. As an example, here we can see another event with a different title and set for a different day, but when we click on the event to reveal the registration button, we also see that this event is not available to us, because it shares the same booking policy which doesn't allow for more than one registration per week, and we have already used that for the previous event. In any case, if the registration button is disabled, Beebop will always indicate the reason why we can't use it, and the date on which we will be able to book the next event with the same policy. If you still have problems registering for events, speak to a school administrator who will be able to assist you.